You want to spend $164 on a gun safe that performs like this? Huh. Let me show you how. Let's do it! What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today I want to go over with you an awesome deal I found on Amazon that any gun owner should have. Check this out. Really good deal, really good value, and I think you're gonna like it. I've got a really big gun safe in another part of my house. Problem is, if somebody came in and I'm in a different part of the house, I don't have access to my protection weapons. I need a pistol safe. Actually, my wife found it. It's kind of an accident. I filled out a Christmas list of things I wanted. There was one at Bass Pro Cabela's. I put on the list. It was very specific. She tried her hardest to get it. She couldn't get it. She felt bad. So she went on Amazon and she got this thing. I was really impressed with it. Before I get into the specs of it, this thing has 4,812 reviews at 4.7 stars out of 5. And the price rings in at only $129. That being said, let me show it to you. This right here is the all-safe, quick access, biometric safe with fingerprint control, keypad control, and key control. And not to mention, it is padded and has an LED light. Now, we're gonna get into this thing more, but I want to show you a couple other things I bought to customize this. First off, I want to mount it on the wall. I want it right by where I sit all the time, in there when I'm watching TV. And to do that, if I would mount it like this, the gun would just sit, and I'd have to just assume that it's going to sit there, and I'm going to get it and stuff. I want to put magnets in it, so when I go to put it in there, it looks like a museum quality piece. Pop, 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 stick my stuff right on there. Show you what I got. Next thing I got for this build is a 2-pack of 55-pound gun mount magnets. That's these right here. I'll put all the links up here. These are $18 for 2. They hold 55 pounds each. I've already tested them and they work very well. I'm with a mounting kit, which is either screws or a 3M adhesive. I'm going to use both. I'm snake. And then finally, it wouldn't be complete. You can't have one LED in there. You got to have a 3-foot strip, of course, which is activated by motion. So I'll put that link as well right here, and this is $16. Made by Amazler. It's called the LED dual mode motion light, and make sure if you want it like the one I got, you get the battery mode. A lot of stuff is going high tech now, rechargeable. I don't want the rechargeable one because it dies off too quick and you got to take it out, recharge it, maintenance it. Whereas if it has a battery in it, it's not being used all the time, the battery lasts longer, and it works when you open it. So it's a matter of preference. If you want the one you charge, you buy that one. Has 1,683 reviews at 4.1 out of 5 stars. A couple of things with this light kit. I didn't realize it comes in black as well. I would have bought that one. But check it out. I'm going to do a video on the bigger kit that I have for my home safe. I'm going to go ahead and install that probably in the next video. These things are so easy to install. And when you see the difference it makes on a big giant gun safe versus when you didn't have anything at all, holy cow. Price versus your outcome, you got to get you one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button or you come back and check out for that next video. That brings us to $164. $164 for a safe that's going to be lit like the National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. And it's going to have custom mounted magnets in it. We're going to go install those right now. Open this thing up. Easy as that. It's got 2 places where the screws go in. And you can take out these little pre-cut. The gun that I want to go with in this is a Ruger SR9C. As you can see here, it's got a full 17 round clip. Also going to add another spare clip in here. As far as where it goes, I was thinking about right there, like that. Extra magazine, something about like that. So that gives you a general idea of where I want my stuff. Let's go ahead, mark off with a pin exactly where I got that stuff. I'll just place my magnets in. Trace exactly where I want to cut. The camera hates guns and black stuff. Hates it. Perfect. Alright, there's one. Two. So now that we know the magnets fit, I'm going to go ahead and pre-install these 3M things here. Hold them perfectly where I want them while I go in and screw them in to the wall with anchors and all that. Don't think that's all that's holding it, because obviously that's probably not going to hold 55 pounds, of course. Time for the light kit. Really easy. All there is to it. There's the power and the brain. There's a roll of LEDs with an adhesive strip on it. Make sure it works before I install it all. Yeah, there we go. You can notice I put black electrical tape on there just to make that thing kind of disappear a little bit. Start running these lights around. That's awesome. Love it. Oh man, look at that. Jeez, that's sick. I can't wait to see this thing when it's dark. Final steps, I've already marked my stud with a stud finder on the wall. So I'm gonna go install this on the studs lightly, and then I'm gonna pre-drill little tiny holes for each of these magnets. I'm gonna take it back off, put the anchors for all those magnets on the wall, then put it back on the wall, put the screws in the stud, and then screw the magnets to the anchors, and the thing will be solid as it can be. Another note that I forgot to mention, when you're doing a wall safe, you don't want to put your grandpappy's gun got handed down to you, because somebody breaks in your house, they're probably going to steal your wall safe. The point of the wall safe is self-defense if you're home. Safe's going right there. That thing is not going anywhere. Clean it up, set it up, try it out. Take her for a spin. I think the last thing to do is put the gun, the magazine in there, turn that light on auto, come open it up, see what it looks like. First off, does the gun stick? I have no idea. No idea if this is going to work. Oh yeah, it sticks good. Gun is in. Will it hold the magazine? Man, I think you're gonna like it. Man, that magnet's strong. Let me set this light to auto, close it up, give it a few minutes, we'll turn it on and test it out. Do a final look at what it looks like. Now I'm going to do a test. Might leave the TV on, I'm not sure. Might try it with TV off. I just want to see what it looks like when you pop that thing open in the dark with that light kit. So let's give it a try. The other one note that I wanted to throw out there, this isn't our forever house. I'm going to move here soon. But if I did this in a house I was going to stay at, I would recess the drywall and put this thing right in a little notch in the wall, and then put a frame or picture right over it when nobody knew it was there. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, you can check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Check them out, check them out. Again, I've got hours of content. I think there's 113 videos down there, all kinds of gun related videos. I just did one on my opinion of the best concealed carry. So what's yours? Check out mine, leave a comment. I like to read those because I'm always in the market. I like to look around. Don't tell the wife. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.